Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Stopped here. Veli police कित्याक stop केलं ना? कुंकोळे police कित्याक stop केलं ना? Itli constituency काल ये permission घेऊन केला. Why only Benaulim police is stopping us? So why only Benaulim we are being troubled like this? What is the problem? Is there any issue? Can't you see the lines systematically? So nicely we have made.
It's not an application is different and getting permission is different.
Your jurisdiction is coming under Goa.
Whatever needs to be done, that will be done through legal process.
Through legal process.
Just confirming and reverting you back.
No problem, sir. And this is the future of Goa. This is the future of Goan politics. ये change goal बगर हम रावपा नहीं हम बीपा नहीं. इसलिए नाटका जोरी गली हम आनी force के नेतले. हम हालानी पाइसी माइज लोका के उन्हीं रैली कोतले. This is a rally with a systematic yatra what we have done. आपके गोइंबोरे कॉमेस के लो with this letter we have started in the other constituencies. आज ये constituency हम काढ़ेला. I request why is this happening here?
The so-called MLA has been stopping all what is happening because he doesn't want our youth to grow or to get educated, and this is, you can say, a way of how he is putting a foot on us.